Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready for some sound fun? We're going to be isolating our final sounds. So we're listening for the last sound in our words. I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to listen. If they end with the same sound, give me a thumbs up. If they don't end with the same sound, thumbs down. Okay, you ready for our first one? Okay, listen. Noise, toys. Good. Zzz. Listen. Thin, shape. No. Thin ends with n. Shape, last sound is p. Listen. Stamp, hat. No. Stamp ends with the p sound, and hat ends with the t sound. Listen. 5, love. Good. Listen. Rain, fine. Good. Good job, boys and girls. Kiss your brain. You're a sound superstar. You rock.